Welcome to Church Media Production, and today we are going to be deboxing this LG SH3K 300 watt soundbar and sub. This has Bluetooth and an LG auto sound engine, whatever that means. So let's start ripping it apart. So pull a little tab here, tab there, and it opens like that. And then stuff falls out, because you're probably supposed to be doing this laying down, not with it standing upright. You got your little remote, optical cable, and your batteries for the remote, it looks like. Another tab I missed. All right, we're gonna lay it down. Of course, it's all gonna be one piece too. It's the fun styrofoam too that leaves stuff everywhere. All right, pull the sub out, which is tied together. Set that there for now. And the soundbar. Okay, so for the soundbar, a bunch of tape all over it. And there you go. There's the soundbar itself, at least. Got your nice little input channels, 3 speakers on each side. On the top, you got your power button, guessing function or input button, volume up, down. Looks like the only inputs you got are just your optical and your port in, or 1/8 inch port for the sub. And this thing that fell out earlier, I think might actually be a wall mount for it. A little wall mount bracket. And then for the sub, which they definitely tied together very nicely. We will cut that. And then find where the tape is at. And you got your sub. Just a box. Nothing too crazy about it. So this actually is looks like it's a Bluetooth pairing too, so you don't have to actually run any wires. So the sub can kind of sit kind of far away from it. So that means the 1/8 inch plug on here you can use for whatever you want. So yeah, all you gotta do is plug it in, hook it up to a TV, and you're good to go. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy it, be sure to give it a like and leave us a comment down below, and make sure you subscribe and then click the little bell icon so you can stay updated whenever we post new videos.